How to use Chai AI on a website. So if you go ahead to your preferred browser and just search up Chai AI, of course, you're gonna get either this, which is one of the good options, since if you take a look here in the top right, you have the Chai web, and you press on that, you'll get these options where you can create, you could search for bots, you could chat, and all directly in the website. But if you get the roadmap, which does look something like this, and you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see an iOS option, Android, but on the Chai web, it's gonna say a little text that is saying coming soon. Now, other than this, there isn't any other option. It would probably be on a random unverified website, so it's much better to just avoid anything than the official, since the official says it is coming soon. So if it doesn't work, then it isn't officially available yet. The platform is mainly focused on the mobile app and mobile friendly web experience, so there's no official widget or embedded code you can drop into a site like you can with some other chatbots. Right now, you can access Chai AI through its mobile app on iOS or Android, or by visiting the website, but it doesn't really give you the chatting with bots feature, just this where you can take a look at their roadmap. Other than that, the feature is expected to come soon, as you can see there. So for now, you'll just have to wait until the developers release it. In the meantime, if you need an AI chatbot on our website, there are some other services offer embeddable widgets that you can add with a small snippet of code. But that pretty much depends on what you want. If you really want your Chai AI, then you're gonna have to wait for the website, or you could just download the app. But that's pretty much the explanation on this topic. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.